us a little bit about yourself and your background, your education, how you got to where you are today.
So, grew up on a small farm about an hour outside of Pittsburgh. Was kind of in love and very comfortable with most things quantitative. Liked math and calculus and physics. Physics was actually my first major in college. Went to Penn State for undergrad, which was a good place to find yourself and bounce around and have, 24 majors. Came out with a degree in finance. Went to New York City as quickly as possible because I had enough farms for a 21-year-old, and fairly quickly got a job near Wall Street with a financial company where they had just started using digital advertising, and it was early 2000s, and so that's right when that science and art and the tactics started to be a little more advanced and sophisticated. So that's pretty much kind of when Google became Google, early 2000s, around 2000, 2001. So I was able to be in the room with the men and women who 20 years ago helped to build, create, and perfect some of the tactics that people still use today. So made absolutely no money at all, worked really, really long hours, but it was that singular experience professionally that's probably the foundation for not only what I do today, but my company, and it was a phenomenal way to start. So did that in New York for quite a few years, went back to Pennsylvania where I grew up, and started the company in 2010. So, and here we are.